Hello everyone, welcome to Linux World YouTube channel. This channel is all about Linux and all of its distribution. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the topic of today's video is how to completely uninstall any program in Ubuntu. Well, this video and the methods that I'll show in this video are applicable on any of the version of Ubuntu, either it's Ubuntu 18, 20, 21, 22. This method will be applicable on all of those distributions. Well, let's say you have different programs in your Ubuntu. I have VLC Media Player up and running into my Ubuntu, as you can see. What if I want to delete it permanently and I want to delete all its file from my Ubuntu? For that purpose, we have different commands that we can use. The first command that I'll use is sudo apt-get space remove space VLC, hit enter, give it your password, again hit enter, and here it says 229 KB disk space will be freed. I will just press Y and hit enter. Now we need to run another command. This is the command that I'm talking about, which is sudo apt space autoremove space VLC, hit enter. And now it will remove every file from your system, and as you can see here it says 284 megabyte disk space will be freed. Earlier it was only showing some kilobytes, but now it is showing us the actual size. So just press Y, hit enter, and now your VLC media player will be deleted permanently. And this is how you can delete and purge every or any application into your Ubuntu or any Linux distribution that is based on Debian and uses apt package manager. It will take a little bit of time and then it will delete VLC media player permanently. So we are done with this command as well. Now let's see if we have VLC available or not. So I'll just write here VLC, hit enter. Here it says no such file or directory. It means we have successfully deleted VLC media player, and this is how you can delete any program into your machines. And that brings us to the end of today's video. So please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.